Hey, this is a quick tutorial to take a look at how to get a graphic design program called GIMP, which we are looking at for MegaBlock. If you are using a Mac, this is something that you would need to use. So we're just going to download it directly here. See, it's going to start over there. Depending on your internet, this could take a little while. So I'm just going to pause it while we're waiting for that to download. All right, so it has finished downloading. So it is here. It is over here. So I'm just going to go to Show in Finder. So you can see there it is right there. When you open it, it's going to start the process of opening GIMP so that you are able to download it or install it. And we'll just pause it again. Okay, so it has finished downloading, and this is what is opened. So what it's asking you to do is drag this icon here directly into the folder Applications. I have done that already, but this is installed. So I'll just minimize this. So I found the folder for installations, clicked and dragged that in, and then actually later then I pulled it out and dropped it over here. And then once I click on it, then it would be fully ready and able to go. So I can just open that. And this is GIMP opening up. And there we go. And we'll look at a couple tutorials on different things we can do with this in a minute.